And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 66. Let me show you how you can put text on a path. If you use the horizontal type tool, you create horizontal text. As the name suggests, put it right here. But how about you want to have that curved? So you can, for example, use the pen tool, left click, then left click drag to create these curves. This is a shape. I go to white stroke, no fill. By the way, it's a shape because I've got that selected right here in the drop down. So when the pen tool is active. Now let us use the type tool again, and now I hover over this line. So the shape one line that we've created, and when I do, the cursor changes. So there's a curved line beneath the T, and this now allows you to put text, this placeholder lorem ipsum text on our curved line, and then you just type it in. So text on a path. I make the shape invisible and it's still on this path. Let's do that again. This time I switch to path. And I make it lines with sharp edges. This also works. I activate the type tool, hover over the line, left click, and I get my placeholder text. And then I just put my text here. You can still use the type tool to, for example, select only words and letters and adjust them. For example, give them different colors, adjust the size, and you can add spacing in between using the spacebar and pick a different font. So you can simply treat it like regular text. The difference here is when you put it on a path, the path will automatically disappear once it's deselected. And that's the principle that you can use to put text, for example, on a rectangle. Let us create a shape rectangle, no fill, but a white stroke. I use the type tool, hover over the line of the rectangle, cursor changes, then I left click. This will determine the start point of my text. In this case, it's black on a black background, so I have to press Ctrl A to select all letters and then change the color. And there you go. One more thing to add though, when the path ends, your words are going to get cut off when they're too big. So if I adjust the size here, at around 20 we can still see everything, but if I make that 21, the word rectangle will be cut off because it's too big for the shape for our rectangle that we've created. So this is one thing to keep in mind. When your path ends, the text will be cut off at that position. This also works for the vertical type tool. It's the same principle. The letters are just 90 degrees rotated. And this is how you can put text on a path in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.